Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I organized my pantry, and this is the door of the pantry that you're looking at right here, but I wanted to show you guys how I organized it. If you watched my video where I showed you that we moved into a new house, I did a empty house tour and I showed you the empty pantry laundry room combo. I'll go ahead and insert video here of what it looked like before I actually went in and organized it. I don't have any before of it looking all crazy because it was empty. So I wanted to show you guys what I did to make it look pretty like I said I would. At first I was not crazy about how this room was. I was like, why is there a pantry and a laundry room combined? I've never seen that before. But now that I've actually organized it and styled it the way I wanted to, I like it a lot. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. And I'll put my Instagram down below so you guys can follow along on my decor and decorating journey. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the door. So I have this groceries sign up there. I had that in our old house. I got that from Etsy. Yes, I got that from Etsy, from a custom seller. It's a really heavy duty wood, beautiful sign. I love it a lot. And then I have my Easter wreath on the door. So let's go ahead and go inside. This is what you see when you first open the door. So you see the washer and dryer. I'll show you guys really fast how I decorated here. So of course I have the washer and dryer. And then behind the washer and dryer I have these signs. These are actually iron-on words, and I put them on canvas that I found from Michael's, and then I just put them inside these wood frames that I got from Hobby Lobby. These are actually frames that come with glass in them. I just removed the glass and put the canvas in there. I really love them a lot. I had these in my old laundry room in our old house. And I did get the iron-on words from my friend Megan's Etsy shop. And then moving on to the shelf up there, I still need to paint the rod up there. I'm gonna paint that white because it already has white paint on it. But I have the laundry and wash and dry signs. Those are from Target. They're from the dollar spot this year. I found them probably like last month. And then up here I have the Fluff and Fold laundry service company sign. I'll get a little closer for you so you can see it. And that one I got from Kirkland's, I think last year, and you can hang it too, but I decided I wanted to just rest it up there on one of those little metal stands that I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so turning to the pantry side, here is a full view of what it looks like. Going all the way down, I'm gonna go shelf by shelf and show you guys what I did. Here on the top, that's how I styled my Rae Dunn canisters up there. So I have brown sugar, granola, nuts, cinnamon. That's a decal, that's not the real cinnamon canister. I wish it was, but it's not. And then I have oats and rice. And in the middle I have that wood pantry sign. That used to be hanging up on top of my pantry in our old house, and I decided to put it up there. And that one I got from Etsy probably like 2 years ago. And then I just tied some string up there on top of the canisters. And then all of these baskets that you see, I did get them from Walmart online. I will link them in the description box. These are the small size. They do also have a larger size, and they come in 2 packs. But I measured and made sure, and they fit perfectly in my shelves here. The small sizes did. So I may order some larger sizes eventually for our linen closet in the bathroom, but I think the small ones just worked out perfectly. So these baskets do have little chalkboard labels on the front, and you can use a chalkboard marker on there to write what you want, and that's what I did. So on the top shelf, the first thing we have is granola bars. Then we have breakfast items, so that's mainly cereal and oatmeal. Next we have crackers. We do eat a lot of crackers in this house, so we needed a bin for those. My daughter loves crackers. Next is chips. My husband eats a lot of chips. My daughter likes chips too. I'm not a huge chip person. If I get a craving once in a while for them, I'll eat them, but mainly those two eat them in this house. And then the next one is for baking and sweets. So this one I mainly have like cookies, candy, and then any type of baking supplies. Like I have some shredded coconut in there, and I also have some cupcake wrappers to bake with, so that's what that one has. Then moving on to the second shelf. So this one is cooking. So in that one I have basically oils like olive oil and vegetable oil. And then I have breadcrumbs, things like that. Next to that I have condiments, so ketchup, mustard, syrup, peanut butter, jelly, all of that good stuff. Next to that one I have sides and pasta, so mainly like pasta, rice, I have some stuffing in there, and then also some skillet potatoes and cold macaroni salad. Next to that one we have soup, so we mainly have soups and some ramen noodles in there. And then next to that we have canned goods, so you know, tuna, beans, canned pumpkin. I still have some canned pumpkin in there that I need to bake with. So all of that good stuff. And I'm going to show you the inside of one of the baskets here. So they do have these cloth things that can come off and be washed. And then this part is just metal and it's black. So I really like the whole black and white vibe that I have going on in this room right here. And then on the bottom shelf, I have one for paper towels. Next to that, I have laundry supplies. So, you know, the basic detergent, bleach, spray, all that, dryer sheets, things like that. Next to that, I have, it says storage bags, but I have a couple extra things in there, but mainly we have our Ziploc bags. I did wind up throwing my coffee pods in there and some hot cocoa, which I need to put in my Rae Dunn canisters on my coffee bar when it's a non-holiday. Next to that, I have a basket dedicated to my daughter's stuff, so all of her snacks and little goodies. And then next to that one is just one that's miscellaneous, just a bunch of stuff that we didn't have room for in the other baskets. And then on the bottom on the floor, so we basically have this bin right here. That's our recycle bin that we use in the house. And once it gets full, we dump it in our bin in the garage. So we just have a little one in here. And then the dog's food. I have this little crate here full of bottled water. And then I have a trash can over there. So that is basically what it looks like. And I really love how it turned out. And right now, ooh, it's a little bright up there, but right now I don't have anything in the Rae Dunn canisters just because I decided to go with the baskets. But I thought they were just a really pretty addition to decorate with, and eventually I'll probably use them if I have like overflow or whatnot. So that is it for my pantry organization. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun deciding what I was gonna do with this room and organizing it, and so far the last month it's stayed pretty organized. So I'm really proud of my husband and my daughter for not really messing with it. And like I said, I will link the baskets in the description box so that way you guys can get them if you want them. And they came super quick. I got them from walmart.com. I do not think that they sell them in the stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.